Today's question is something many IGNOU MEG students secretly wonder. Can ChatGPT write my exam-oriented answers correctly? Hi, this is Chandrika ma'am from Ipsita ma'am's English classes. And today, with an open mind, let us discuss ChatGPT's potential as a study partner. What ChatGPT can actually do? ChatGPT can give you summaries, explain theories, and even help you frame points quickly. If you are revising last minute or struggling with a poet, a novel, or a theory, it can simplify difficult ideas like romanticism, structuralism, or Marxism in literature. So yes, it's a good study assistant. But here where it stops. Why ChatGPT can't write IGNOU-style answers? IGNOU answers need clarity, structure, and critical insight. They're evaluated not just for information, but also for analysis and interpretation. Something only you can develop through reading and understanding. ChatGPT gives generic or overly polished responses. It doesn't know your syllabus focus, question trends, or exam expectations. And remember, ChatGPT is not always accurate. It might skip context or even give incorrect references. So if you just copy and paste, your answers may look fluent, but they will lack depth, direction, and IGNOU's exam focus. So use ChatGPT for brainstorming ideas, getting short definitions, checking grammar or sentence clarity. Then, use your understanding, consult your teacher to write the actual answer. Combine both. That's how you will perform well and truly learn. So, can ChatGPT write exam-oriented answers for IGNOU MEG? The answer is no, but it can help you learn how to write them better. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ipsita ma'am's English classes, an organization with 10 years of experience for IGNOU notes, explanation, and smart exam preparation. WhatsApp to 9874431783 and grow like a pro with Ipsita ma'am.